it comes to moisturizing and protecting natural dry hair, all treatments are mostly the best. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Elizabeth, and today I'll be showing you guys a video on how to make and benefits of all treatment for natural dry hair. But before we go into that, I'd like to say a very big thank you for 200 subscribers. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you so much. So let's dive into today's video. Household treatment is designed to help moisturize a dry and itchy scalp, which prevents brittle hair, which contributes to breakage. When it comes to moisturizing and protecting natural dry hair, all treatments are mostly the best. It is an easy way of giving your hair a TLC. How to make. So in a pot we'll add a little bit of water, then we'll add a small bowl into the pot of water. So in the bowl we'll add coconut oil, then we'll be adding a tablespoon of olive oil, then a tablespoon of jojoba oil. So we'll allow it to heat up a bit. As you can see, the water is boiling, so now we'll turn off the gas. Now you remove the bowl and let it cool off a bit. So for this video you will need a towel, a shower cap, a comb, and water and the oil. So let's get started. You want to take the towel and wrap it around your neck because this is really going to be messy. So we'll be taking off your accessories. So I'm taking off my earrings and I'll be removing the rubber band I used in styling my hair. As you can see, my hair is so dry. My scalp has been itchy for days, so I decided to make this all treatment. So now I'll be separating the hair. Depends on how you want to separate it. You can do it in 4, you can do it in 2. So I'll be doing mine in 4. So I'll cut out a little bit of hair, then I'll be watering it with a bit of water because my hair is dry. You want to apply this on a very clean hair, very clean. When I mean clean, is washed with shampoo and conditioner. So I'll be taking the water to damp my hair, then I'll be applying the oil treatments. So I'm actually using my hand because I want it to get to every part of it. So now, after applying the oil treatment, you wanna hold that very well. Hold the tip too. It's very essential because you wanna. So after applying the whole treatment, you want to style the hair. You can go for any simple style. I'll be going for a twist, so I'll be twisting that for now, and I'll be doing the other part. So you want to repeat the same process throughout. For the hair, you want to oil it, oil the tip because you want it to grow too. So you're gonna oil the tip, is very essential. Then you twist or you braid, whichever one you prefer, but I prefer to twist it because it'll be very easy to lose if I want to wash it. So I'll be doing a twist. So you want to repeat the same process again and again. It doesn't have to be a neat cut. You just want to cut it and get done with it. So I'm going to take the oil and try to massage my scalp with it. I want to go into every part, every side, and massages with the oil. So now I'm going to take my shower cap and cover it with my hair. Now I'm going to take the towel and wrap it around my head and allow that to sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. So after allowing it to sit for 15 to 30 minutes, now I'll be taking out my twist and try to comb it. After that, I'll be rinsing with cold water. Now after rinsing with cold water, we're going to take our comb and comb through our hair and make sure that it's all the tangles in. So there you have it, guys. This is my treatment for natural dry hair. I use this whenever I feel my hair or my scalp is too dry. And what I like about this treatment is that it is very easy and affordable to make. It isn't expensive at all. These are all oils we can get around or within our kitchen. And the benefit of this treatment is that it helps to moisturize your hair, dry or not. If you apply this treatment 2 to 3 times a week, you will see a lot of difference in your hair. And you massaging it into your scalp, it helps the hair to grow and increase blood circulation in the hair, and it also strengthens the hair growth. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you all try this at home too, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video.